Hi, so we're looking at the power of indices here, or when you see a base number separate with indices separated by brackets. So with this question here, we're going to expand this out so we can get a true idea of how to solve this. So when we've got 2 to the power of 3, we're going to worry about what's inside of the brackets before we worry about what's outside. So 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. So we've just expanded it back out. Now we've still got 2 to the power of 2 outside of these brackets. We haven't changed that. We've only worked out 2 to the power of 3. So this next part, what we do here is that this power of 2 means that we do exactly the same thing inside of these brackets twice. So it means there's 2 lots of them. So this is also equal to 2 times 2 times 2. So that was the bracket, but we can do that twice. So what that means is we times it again by 2 times 2 times 2. So what this really means here is that we've got a base of 2. We can see that that hasn't changed. So we've got a base of 2 here. But we've got to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 to the power of 6. Now this, if we have a look at the general rule here, we've got a to the power of m, close bracket, to the power of n. What it means is that an easy way of writing it, rather than rewriting this out every time, is to say a to the power of m times n. So we'll put that into practice here. We've got a power of 3, a base of 3, so that doesn't change. So we've got the base of 3 there. Then we've got to the power of 4. Now, following our general rule, what that means is just 4 times 3. So 4 times 3, which equals 3 to the power of 12. Let's have a look at one more. So 5 to the power of 5. So we've got a 5 here as a base. And then we've got to the power of 5 times 2. So 5 to the power of 5 times 2, which equals 5 to the power of 10. Now, one more rule we're going to have a look at here is when we see an index of 0 or to the power of 0. Now what the power of 0 means is that it's not 3 times 0 giving us an answer of 0. What it actually is any number to the power of 0 is going to give us 1. It's so that each of the power of 3 is one factor larger than 3 than the last. So if we have a look at it, so in a sense, 3 to the power of 0 is 1. And then we follow the pattern would be 3, 9, 27, 81. So it's one factor of 3 larger than its last. So any number to the power of 0 is going to be 1. And now this is just one question where you may see it will give you an answer of 1. So we've got 3, by following the last video, when you divide 2 powers with the same base, so we've got the same base here of 5, take 5. Because when they divide 2 powers with the same base, we minus the powers. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 3 to the power of 0. And 3 to the power of 0 gives us an answer of 1. Thanks.